Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno7 Lite, and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and then scroll all the way down to the system section. Here then scroll to the special features. Then click to the Quick Launch, and to activate it, click only once on the switcher. Now we can see our currently menu in Quick Launch, and let's just lock the device and see. So now we can see that the Quick Launch works successfully. So just to activate it, we should click on the switcher once, and just to open Quick Launch, just hold for a while the scanner, and after that just slide with your finger here to the left or to the right side, and to open, for example, the contacts, slide here to the right side, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.